Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix NFC not working problem on any Poco phone. Now first of all, make sure that you have enabled the NFC function from your settings. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on more connectivity options. Now from here, tap on NFC. Now from here, make sure that you have enabled NFC. Now once you have done that, just tap on restore NFC functionality. Now from here, tap on yes. Now from here, tap on restore. Now from here, it will take a few seconds and it will restore the functionality of your NFC. Now from here, tap on reboot. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to reboot and restore the functionality of your NFC. Now from here, once your smartphone has finished rebooting, check your NFC. Now if your problem is still not fixed, try using the NFC function while your smartphone is unlocked. Many people use the NFC function while their smartphone is on screen lock. And sometimes your smartphone's NFC function might not work while your smartphone is on screen lock for security reasons. Now for that, just unlock the screen lock. Now from here, just check if your NFC function is working. Now if your NFC function is still not working, try to tap on the phone with the correct place where the NFC coil is placed. Now if you do not know where the NFC coil is placed on your smartphone, try to tap with your smartphone multiple times on different places. Now if you have a thick case on your smartphone, this might interfere with the working of the NFC coils. So remove your case and check if the NFC function starts working. Now, if you have done all that and if your NFC function is still not working, just open the settings app. Now from here, tap on more connectivity options. Now from here, scroll down and tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Now from here, tap on reset settings. Now from here, just enter your screen lock. Now just tap on next. Now from here, tap on OK and your network settings will reset. And this is how you can fix the NFC not working issue on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.